Well, there are a lot of causes of corruption, but to rank the number one, to me, the way I've analyzed properly, I may be wrong, I may be correct, but I think I'm near correct. In most low-developed countries, talent management is left behind. After graduation, somebody is most likely to take too long to take a role or position in his or her profession. Now that delay alone, the person will face a lot of challenges. In the process, what people call the experience is not actually what they mean. I have ever presented myself before interview with all the experience needed, even competitive more than the rest. I was told during the interview that I was too young for the job. So they look at the age, which is the experience, not what you've been doing is backed up by your papers like appointments and recommendations. So that's how I miss that job. It's a part of a private life. Now, looking at this angle of corruption, somebody who is recruited late in the field, despite not working earlier, the person will only do what is called time recovery. Will try to steal the money and resources to recover the time he or she lost when he or she was unemployed. That's the number one cause of corruption in low-developed countries like Africa. You recruit people too late, you just waste your time. That's now killing your sector or your department. Recruiting late is that challenge. Many may deny this fact, but it's true. Somebody who has stayed out will come and steal money. So it's a serious thing in Africa. Actually, Africa are bragging for nothing. Completely. The very African leaders, the presidents, the government are the ones causing all the problems in Africa. They are the ones. They are bragging for nothing and they're useless. Very useless.